All right, the drink we're about to make is called Big Dipper. Go ahead and put some water and ice in a martini glass. Let that sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled for you by the time you're done. All right, go ahead and fill up a glass with ice. And we'll measure out 1 ounce of apricot brandy. And we're going to put 1 ounce of white creme de cocoa. All right, next we're going to add 1 ounce of yummy milk. And just give it a splash of grenadine. All right, grab your shaker and shake it up. Okay, got a nice creamy pink color, as you can see. Dump out your ice water and pour it in. Nice frothy drink to enjoy while you gaze at the stars, especially the Big Dipper. Bottoms up.